welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking my makeup. I've skin prepped, so I'll just be jumping into my foundation application.
Now he wanted, and I can't help that I'm this fly. They wonder why, why. I am who I am, too glad to give a damn. Captain of the ship, haters they can kiss, glitter. I'm just like glitter. I'm just like glitter bombs going up, bang bang. Feeling good, showing up, bling bling. Pay respects to the king, catching. Number one with a chance, ring. Be your own biggest fan, gang. Run the world 'cause you king, bang. Hear my songs blowing up on your radio. Let me, here I am, yeah, now you know. Breaking hearts from Miami to Tokyo. And now I'm rolling. I ain't sorry for a damn thing, know that. I'm that glitter in the air, pink with glowing. I'm the picture and the frame, call me Kodak. I am who I am, too glad to give a damn. Captain of the ship, haters they can kiss, glitter. I'm just like glitter. I'm just like glitter bombs going up, bang bang. Feeling good, showing up, bling bling. Pay respects to the king, catching. Number one with a chance, ring. Be your own biggest fan, gang. Run the world 'cause you king, bang.
Summer's end, by the campfire, all my friends in our empire, yeah. Wasted time never feels wasted when I'm wasted. Lately I've been questioning what I'm doing here. I'm burdened by the weight of who we were, and it hurts to leave. Please don't make me feel guilty. I know I'm guilty, please. I'm so sick of feeling down, stuck in this city. Getting fucked up on whatever, you know I gotta grow up. I just wanna stay young forever. I got big dreams inside my head. My diamonds made under pressure, and I'm here wondering if I'll ever get my shit together. Oh, 'cause I'm not ready to be better. All I want is to be better. I'm not ready to be better.
I'll finish everything off coming right now. And this is the look.
Hard way. I can't keep coming out. Getting fucked up on whatever. You know I gotta grow up. I just wanna stay young forever. I got big dreams inside my head. My diamonds made under pressure, and I'm here wondering if I'll ever get my shit together. Oh, 'cause I'm not ready to be better.
Hope you like the look. So please like this video, and if you watched up to this point, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't seen any of my videos before, please check in the description bar below. I would leave a list of some of my videos, so please check them out. If you want to see the products I use, will also be listing everything down. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Just tell me something in the comment section. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. It's looking nice. It's looking like it's giving me Nuban is giving me life. People should come and sponsor me.